So we've talked about omnichannel, we've talked about multi-channel. So the next part of that conversation is, what are some of the advantages of omnichannel? So just post COVID, an omnichannel retailer, a retailer that has an omnichannel strategy is able to get greater reach. You're able to really reach a much wider audience. You've got more engagement. If you've got the customer shopping on Instagram and then walking into your store, now they really love the brand. And you're creating that seamless experience that I was just talking about. On the flip side, there are a few downsides that a lot of the retailers have to face. One is adoption issues. All of this is not easy. There's a lot of tech and there's a lot of people clamoring for attention in the tech software space. And finally, there's cost. So where we are at this moment is to understand that omnichannel is really powerful. It really adds a lot of value. But now what I want to do is I want to give you 5 steps that you can actually use right now from here, from this presentation, and think about how to bring omnichannel as a strategy into your business. So the 5 steps to building an omnichannel experience are here. Tech systems, we'll talk about that. We'll go into knowing your customers. We'll get to know more about customer engagement, flexibility with business models, and shared data across channels.